Good afternoon traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. In this video I am going to talk about the best broker. So guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, so please must subscribe it, because you know that I provide the technical analysis of the major currency pairs. So it will be very helpful for you if you subscribe the my YouTube channel and also press the bell button so that you can get the updates from my side. Now today I am going to review the XNES broker, which is the best broker if you belong to the Asian countries, and they also support other countries too, but you need to ask them from their live support. You can see that we have a client support option here, and you can simply just write to them and you will be able to live chat with the XNES client support. So basically I'm going to talk about the trading accounts, that which trading accounts they offer to the traders. So let's say we are clicking on the open trading account. So let's see how things go on. Just a second, the net is a bit slow at my side. Okay. So guys, there are two accounts that they offer in there are different accounts that they offer in case of MT4 terminal. So you can see it here. So cent account, mini account, classic account, and ECN account. So what is the difference? If you are a small trader, like you have $100, $50, $30, $20 investment, then you should go with the cent account, because they have a minimum deposit of 1 cent in here. If you talk about the cent account, and the spread is from minimum, the spread is 0.3, and if we talk about the mostly and commonly used trading account, then we talk about the mini, because this is the account size, this is the account that mostly 90% of the traders go, because mostly I have seen in my trading career that mostly there are people who have deposits lesser than $2,000 and they go for a mini account. So that, guys, if your investment is like $1,000, $1,500 or $500, then you should go for a mini account. Then I do not recommend cent account in this scenario. Mini account is more good in this scenario. But let's say if you are able to trade the classic account, they have a minimum deposit, one-time minimum deposit of 2,000, and after that you can deposit any amount. That's not a problem, but the first deposit should be $2,000, and the minimum spread is 0.1. So here it comes with the benefit that if you are a pro trader and if your account size is big, then you should not trade on the mini account, then you should trade on the classic account. The minimum lot size that you can use on the classic account is 0.1. If you want to trade at 0.01 to 0.05 or 0.09, you cannot trade this on the classic account, because the minimum lot size that you can use 0.1, and this is for the professional traders who want to trade who want to trade with a lot of lots, and they like, for example, 0.5, 0.3, 1 lot. So the commissions, the spread will be lower, so you can save your spreads in case of classic account, whereas you will pay higher spreads in case of mini account. So guys, let's say if you are a scalper in the market, so for the scalper you should go for a mini account. For a scalper you should go for a scalping account, but if you want to take swing trades for a longer period of time, then you can go for mini account. That's the difference between these two accounts. Okay guys, I have never used the ECN account. Basically, as per my research, I do not recommend this account, so I'm not even going to give the review about this. So if you have the big investment and if you trade normally like 0.2 per lot, 0.5, 1 lot, then I recommend the classic account. That's my recommendation. And if you are if your investment is low, then you can go for a mini account. Okay guys, so I am just pasting the link of this broker in the description of the video below, and you can simply register to this broker using my link, and it will help you, because I will be able to help you. In case of any questions, you can contact me and I will be able to help you with your trading questions. Okay, now let's go to the deposit and withdrawal methods. So guys, they have support different methods to deposit and withdraw. Like you can see Bitcoin, you can use your bank card, Visa, MasterCard. Perfect Money is widely used, Web Money is widely used, Netaler, Skrill, that's the most efficient method. And if you talk about the Perfect Money, then normally in the case of Perfect Money, you can say that the transactions are instant. Let's say if you have deposited something and you have made the profit, and if you just make the withdrawal, then it simply goes straight into your account within no time. Normally they have a 24 hours policy, but normally does not take such time. Mostly the withdrawals are instant in this scenario. Before joining this broker, I am giving the link in the description of the video below, but just make sure that you should contact their live chat support, client support, and ask them that either they support your country or not, because they are not supporting the US clients. So you need to check your country first, and then after you can deposit and you can go with the Forex trading. So guys, this is all about the analysis about the XNS broker that I personally use and I personally prefer. Moreover, guys, you know that I provide the signal service on Telegram, as well as I send the signal service through email. I provide the Forex trading indicators. You can see my previous videos for the indicators, and if you want to book your coaching session with me, then for all this you can please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Moreover, you can join the broker through the link below, and I will help you with your questions. Thank you so much.